is my roaming closet. If I'm talking fast or seem excited, it is because I got a, if I can get it right, I got a Stitch Fix. It's probably been a month since I had one because going from Arizona to Washington, I didn't want anything to get lost in the mail, especially a Stitch Fix box where you'd have to pay for it if you lost it. I did cheat. I did look to see what I was getting. I asked for a fossil purse because I just love fossil, and I think I asked for a fun outfit. I like outfits. So let's see what's in here. It's is it $20 or $25 styling fee? I want to say it's a $20 styling fee. If you use my link below, you will get $25 credit and no styling fee. So if you want to check that out. It comes with free shipping and a return bag to send anything back that you don't like. They do offer, no rhyme or reason how they do it, but they offer a $49 styling pass. So you just pay $49 one time. That goes towards anything that you purchase. And then you don't have to pay the $20 every month. And this is my second year of doing it. So I do take advantage of it, which means I do buy more and spend more. So that's totally up to you if you choose to do it that way. Then comes the paperwork. There'll be the invoice with everything that's in here. That's the bad news. And if you buy all 5, you get a 25% discount. And then they came out with something new. So if I bought a top and it was this color, they have a link where I can just randomly buy it in every other color it comes in. You don't get a discount on it, but if you really like it and you want to get it in a different color, and that's all on your app that you have. Then they put the styling card. My stylist has been Kat, and she's been doing an awesome job. I don't have her. I have Kelly. I loved Kat. She put together some really great pieces. She says, "Happy Fix Day, Robin. I'm so excited to be styling you and have some wonderful summer pieces for you to try." So it details everything that's in here. But my stylist is Kelly and not Kat, so that's kind of a bum. And then it shows you how you can wear the different pieces. So the first thing is a pair of shoes, and it's Tom's. And I got a pair of Tom's in one of my boxes before, but this part of the shoe just didn't feel right, so I didn't keep them. But I absolutely love these shoes. What a great color. And I happen to be wearing some socks that I got in my Luxury Diva box. I will leave that link above. They are such a great accessory box. And so I've got on a pair of their socks. Sorry, as I struggle to. And my man, he uses the old-fashioned shoe things, and he's got those everywhere. So I should probably go find these. I got these in a 7.5, but I am struggling to get them on. So I will try them off camera. But I do love those. And then I got my little bundle. And let's see what we got in here. Now, I did see these when I cheated. And they looked like a bright cherry red pant that no way would I wear. But now that I'm looking at them, they kind of have like a brick color, not so much a red color. And they are the Lakeview Denim, size 29, Alex colored skinny jeans in a red, size 8. But they're not a super bright red. And they're very stretchy. So I don't know. And then I guess you're supposed to wear them with the shoes. So we'll see. The next thing is upside down. Market and Spruce Madison pleat detail top, gray, in a size large. Now it feels very thin. I mean really thin. So it's a great summer top. It's got the little ruffles. I'm not sure if it's me. And of course it all depends on the price, because I watch a lot of fixes and some of them, the prices, it's like, where did you come up with those prices? The next thing, I think I've received this top before, is Collective Concepts in a size large. And I know it's not supposed to go with those pants because it's way off in color. And whenever there's like strappy things, I can never figure them out. They need to come with like a video. But there's the front and there's the back. And I really don't like these kind because I'd have to wear a strapless bra, which I have a really comfortable one, but it's just hard to get on. And so I don't know. I'll try it on, but I'm not giving big hope for it. And the last thing is the Fossil purse. I'm so excited. Fossil has great sizes. They last forever. And this looks like the great color. You just have to remember with Fossil, they're a little on the pricey side. So this is Chelsea leather crossbody. And it's a really pretty color. And it's got, Fossil comes with the key. I'm actually liking this bag. So I will do the try on with it and I will go over prices. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the first top, and this is the Collective Concepts Chrissy Keyhole Halter in red. And it's $54. So I just paired it with the jeans I had on. I have on, you can see, I have on my regular bra. So I apologize. Again, I'm not crazy about it because I'd have to wear a strapless and I don't know. But it is a cute top. So if I can turn around one more time. It fits good, but as I said, I'm just not crazy about the top here. So I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I am back with the last outfit. So I am wearing the Fossil crossbody, the Toms, the Lakeview denim, and the Market and Spruce. Okay. So this is the Fossil crossbody, and again, it's got great pockets. Very soft. And here is that top. I don't like it. It's too tight. These are the pants. Let's see if I can get them lowered. No, the color's not really coming out. And see if I can show you the shoes. Okay, not liking this. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. The shoes. These are a 7.5. If I got an 8, they would be too big. But this little thing, I must have like a higher bone on my foot. It was totally killing my foot, and it put an indented line in it. That's how tight it was. These shoes are super cute. I wish the 8 would fit me, but I know that they would be too big in the back. But I do love these shoes. And if I can find the price sheet, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. So the Toms in navy 7.5 are $54.95, which isn't bad for a Toms, but I couldn't wait to take them off. So they are going back in my bag. Okay, so goodbye Toms. I did like them, and I love the pattern, but the fit was horrible. Okay, the Fossil, I really like this purse. It's a perfect size. You can probably put your cell phone in here or your cell phone out here. And the price of the Fossil is $138. So I knew it was going to be pricey. I was kind of hoping it would be a 5 for 5, because then I could save the 25% off on the Fossil and would have totally kept it. But the shoes were bad. And this top, as beautiful as it is, it's just not me. I can't, stuck in here, sorry. I really wouldn't have a whole lot to wear with it. You could probably wear it with blue jeans, but I don't like to wear strapless bras in the summer if I don't have to. I want to be able to throw something on and it's comfortable, but you know, the strapless, I don't need to tell you. And the price of this, was $54. The Toms are $54.95. This was $54. The jeans, I still have them on, and they're kind of sagging already. And the red in an 8, they're $58. So they're not a bad price jean, but I can already feel like that crotch area that's just falling, and then I have the saggy butt. So that would be a no to the jeans. And this top that I'm wearing, it's got that weird feel to it, almost like a tableclothy kind of feeling. It's cute, it's a little bit too tight on me, and it's $58. So I'm just not feeling $58 worth for this top. So the whole price of this was $362.95, which is really one of my pricier fixes that I had. And then if you keep the 5 and get the 25% off, it takes $90.74 off. The shipping was free, so it would bring all 5 pieces to $272.21. Again, the Fossil handbag is pricey, so I understand that. But yeah, I'm just totally not feeling it. I don't know if it's because I have a new stylist and she doesn't get me like my other stylist does. So I'm probably just going to send this all back. As much as I really loved my Fossil purse, I know. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys get Stitch Fix, and if you have problems with the stylist just changing on you. I will get another one, of course. So yeah, let me know what you think, and you guys have an awesome day.